From idea to enterprise. Entrepreneurs' obligations, taxation and value-added tax. In this video, we'll go through income taxes and value-added tax, and the factors that will affect your taxation. We'll also take a look at different business registers you may need to sign up for. All companies in Finland pay income taxes based on the company's financial performance. Value-added tax, on the other hand, is a general tax on consumption, added to almost all products and services. Both taxes affect the financial affairs of your business, and you need to pay close attention to them to be able to run your business as smoothly as possible. When you start a new business, there's no actual data available to calculate your tax rate, so you need to assess the expenses and potential results of your company yourself. Based on your assessment, you can apply for prepayment tax in the Finnish tax administration e-service, My Tax. In addition to applying for the tax, you also need to sign up for different tax administration registers. Be sure to make your preliminary assessments and estimates as accurate as possible to know which registers you need to sign up for, and avoid retroactive taxation with possible late payment fees. Signing up for the payment register is mandatory for all businesses. You can sign up for the register as you apply for the prepayment tax, or do it later, as long as you have a business ID. Being registered will also improve your image in the eyes of customers, since it indicates that you can handle tax matters reliably. If your company is paying wages for employers on a regular basis, you must be registered in the employer register. Remember to keep a record of your company's finances. When your company's financial period ends, you need to prepare financial statements and an income tax return for the tax administration. If you want to, you can outsource your company's financial record keeping to an accountant. Accountants can also handle filing of tax returns on your behalf. While the amount of taxes you need to pay is primarily based on how much money your company makes, your company form also affects the income taxation. If you're a private trader, the income you receive from the company is taxed as your personal income, whereas limited liability companies and cooperatives are themselves liable for their taxes. Unlike income tax, value-added tax is intended to be paid by consumers. Companies act as the tax collector and can deduct the value-added taxes they have paid from their income taxes. The value-added tax rate for the majority of products and services in Finland is 24%. Additionally, there are two reduced value-added tax rates for certain products and services, and a zero tax rate on some goods, such as export transactions. If your company's turnover exceeds €15,000 in 12 months, you need to sign up for the value-added tax register. As you are setting up your business, be sure to make your preliminary estimates as accurate as possible. In case you have estimated your turnover being less than €15,000 and go over the threshold, you will need to pay the value-added taxes retroactively from the beginning of the financial period. The fee for late payment will also be added to the sum. On the other hand, if your turnover is less than €30,000 during the company's financial period, you can apply for value-added tax relief on your final value-added tax report for the financial period. With turnover less than €15,000, the value-added tax of the entire financial period will be returned to you. And if your turnover lands between €15,000 and €30,000, a partial relief is applied. To learn more about the requirements and best ways to start your business, please watch the whole From Idea to Enterprise video series.